Hello. Today we are reviewing the grammar for another, the other, and others. This is not easy, but not impossible grammar. It's very small and specific grammar, which is what makes it more difficult. The first three that we are looking at here, another, the other, or other. These three will always be followed by a noun. You will see another car, another day, the other student. Here with other, we can say one other, any other, some other. There will be an additional adjective or quantifier in this place. We could say, you need to call me some other day. When we come down here to the word others with S, we are talking usually as a noun. This is not an adjective. This is the noun form. So I called the others. Instead of saying I called the other people, I called the other students. I called the others with S, signifying it's the noun instead of the adjective. Let's look at a few examples for this. We see at the top of this exercise, do you have another question? The word another we see is singular, and this is general. It can be any question, another question. If I say, do you have the other, it's very specific. It's talking about one single question. Do you have any other questions? You see the S here. Now this is functioning as a plural. I prefer the other one. Again, this is singular, and we're being specific. We're talking about one specific type. If I said I prefer another one, this is any other one. We're not going to talk today about one another or each other. So let's look at a few of these sentences. Let's start at number 3 here. It says there's only one way we can do this. This is singular, we're talking about one, and this is specific because there is only one way. So we say there's only one other way we can do this. If I wanted to use the word another in this sentence, I would say there is another way. We take away only and one, and we are no longer specific. Now it can be very general. In number 4, we see another general sentence. It says Germany will need to have election soon. They're talking anytime, not specific, but very general. One election, so we need singular. Germany will need to have another election soon. Number 5 now, it says some of them have strong religious ideas and the have undemocratic political views. We're talking about some. We see the word here, have showing plural. I don't have a noun here. It says the have. It doesn't say the people have. So I need to say the others have because we are taking the place of a noun. If it said the other people have, perfect. We use other without S. But because we have no noun here, we must say the others have. Okay, just a few more here before we look at another worksheet. Number 6 says, encouraging change is that solar panels are getting much better. So this is one, it is singular. I would say another encouraging change. Another encouraging change is that solar panels are getting much better. My final sentence here for us to look at, number 7, it says, people might think you're crazy if you wear that hat in public. People, of course, is plural, so we must use the word other. People is the noun, other is the adjective to describe which type of people. Other people might think you're crazy if you wear that hat in public. Okay, I hope that you're feeling okay. Not too difficult. It's not easy, but it's not impossible. I want to look just at a few of these sentences here before we have some practice at the end. Number 1 says, can I have piece of cake? Piece of cake, this is singular. I don't see here at the beginning any word like the, one, or some. So I must use the word another. Can I have another piece of cake? If I just say, can I have other, I'm missing the article at the beginning, the word the, or some, or any. The word another, this is the article and the adjective combined together. We see the same thing now here in number 2. She has bought, car. I don't see an article. I don't see the word the, some, one, and I see here the noun, so I need to use my word another. She has bought another car. Number 3 says, have you got any ice creams? Ice creams, we see plural. Any, this is our article at the beginning. We can use here the word other. Have you got any other ice creams? Our last one on this practice, it says number 4, she never thinks about people. Again, people, plural. So we need to use the plural word for other. Other people. If I took away the word people was gone. I would say she never thinks about others. Because others. Okay, I've got some practice for us here. So I'd like you to take your notebook. You should be writing down these sentences to practice as we're going through these exercises. When I look at this sentence, I want cup of coffee. Cup of coffee, this is singular. This is one. I don't see a word here at the beginning, so I must use the word another. I want another cup of coffee. My next sentence, would you like piece of cake? This is similar to the sentence we looked at in the previous exercise. Again, piece of cake is singular. I don't have here an article at the beginning, so I must use the word another. Would you like another piece of cake? I think we should make plans, just in case. My word plans is plural, so I need to use the word other. I think we should make other plans, just in case. My sentence here, it says, we need some chairs. I'll take these ones, and you can take the, You see the word the, so we know it cannot be another, because of the word the. Now we must think, Is it singular, one chair, or is it many chairs? Probably, my guess, it is many chairs, so I would say the others. But it does make sense to me. I'll take these ones. One person, they pick up 2 chairs, and you can take the other, meaning the one chair remaining. If there are many chairs remaining, the others. If there is one chair remaining, the other. Do you have any types available? I see the plural S. I see the word any, which is functioning like an article, so I don't have the word the. I cannot say any another, but I can say any other types. Do you have any other types available? Now we have 2 people speaking, person A and person B. Person A says have sausage. Person B says no thanks, I've had enough. I have had enough. We don't see here plural, so we're looking for singular. I don't see the word the at the beginning here. I don't see an article, so I must say have another. Have another sausage? No thanks, I've had enough. You take one bag, and I'll take the one. We see the word one. We're talking singular. Another or other, these are the 2 options for singular. I see here the word the. This is my article. I cannot say the, another, so I must say the other. You take one bag and I'll take the other one. Let's look at one more sentence before we finish today. It says, I really hope there are alternatives. Alternatives, plural. Another cannot be used for plural. Either other or others can be. Alternatives. This is my noun. Remember that the word others functions as a noun. If I already have a noun, I cannot use the noun form. I must use the adjective form, other. I really hope there are other alternatives. If I took away the word alternatives, the word alternatives was gone. I really hope there are others. And then my noun form would make sense. I hope you are feeling okay with this grammar. It is not easy grammar, but it's not impossible. It is something that you must practice, practice, practice. Remember to think, is it singular or is it plural? Is it general or is it specific? Or, like the word others, is it taking the place of a noun? Good luck with your grammar studies.